In this video, we will summarize all that we have studied in trigonometry. Now, the first part. First part is how to remember the trigonometric ratios. For that, you have to remember this sentence. She offered her child a heaping teaspoon of applause. So, you take out the first letter of each and every word and you will get this word as soka toa. It is soka toa. Sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan is equal to opposite upon adjacent. This is how you have to remember sine, cos and tan. The remaining part is cosec. Cosec of theta is equal to 1 upon sine of theta, and sec of theta is equal to 1 upon cos of theta, and tan of theta is equal to, cot of theta is equal to 1 upon tan of theta. The next trigonometric ratios are nothing but a inverse of all these. So that was about point 2. And point 3 is very important, how to remember or what are the values of different trigonometric ratios for different angles. So trigonometric ratios of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot of each angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees that you have to find out. So for that purpose, you have to remember only the first row, values of first row, and from these values we can find out all the values of remaining rows. So for that you have to remember this. You have to remember this formula, root of x is equal to 2, and initially x you put 0, then subsequently 1, 2, 3 and 4. For the first 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. Let us try doing that. First I will put 0. So it is 0 upon 2 is 0, then root of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2. Then root of 2 upon 2 is 1 upon root 2. Then root of 3 divided by 2 will be root 3 divided by 2. And root 4, which is equal to 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. This is how you have to remember the first row from this formula, root of x upon 2, where x values are first 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. And like that you can find out the values of the first row. And value of cos theta for each of these angles is obtained by just reversing. So you start reversing this. So first is 1, second is root 3 by 2, third one is 1 upon root 2, fourth one is half, and fifth one is 0. So this is how you have to remember. And tan of theta is sine upon cos. This is sine value, this is cos value. So this is 0 upon 1 is 0, half upon root 3 by 2. So this becomes 1 upon root 3, and 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1. So root 3 by 2 divided by half becomes root 3, and 1 divided by 0 becomes infinity. So either you write it as infinity or you write not defined. The value of tan of 90 degrees is not defined. Now cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. So you inverse this. So cosec theta is 1 upon 0. So 1 upon 0 is infinity. So this is not defined. This is not defined. And 1 upon 2 it becomes 2. 1 upon root 2 becomes root 2. And this becomes 2 upon root 3. And this becomes again 1. So sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So invert this. So this is 1. This is 2 by root 3. I am just inverting. This is root 2. This is 2. And 1 upon 0 is infinity. so it is not defined. It is not defined. And cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. So 1 upon 0 is infinity, so it is not defined. Not defined. And then 1 upon root 3, it becomes root 3. This is of course 1. This is 1 upon root 3, and this becomes 0. This is how we have to remember the trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Now let us go to the next. What is the value of sin theta and cos theta? You have seen from 0 to 90 degree, it starts with 0 and goes up to maximum 1. So value of sin theta and cos theta is always less than 1. And we have seen that from ratio also, sin is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse and cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse in the denominator, which is always higher than the numerator, so the value is always less than 1. And similarly, cosec theta or sec theta, this value is always greater than 1. It is always greater than 1. You see, sec theta and cosec theta is either 1 or all these values are greater than 1 up to infinity. So you have to know that values of sin and cos theta is always less than 1 and value of cosec theta and sec theta is always greater than 1. And then we have seen the values of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. That is, sine of 90 minus A is equal to cos of A, and cos of 90 minus A is equal to sine of A. That was one thing. Second is tan of 90 minus A is equal to cot of A, and cot of 90 minus A is equal to tan of A. It is tan of A. Then next, cosec of 90 minus A is equal to sec of A, or sec of 90 minus A is equal to cos sec of A. So these three things of complementary angles, trigonometric ratio, we have to remember it like this. Now in the last, we have studied the trigonometric identities. The first trigonometric identity we have studied is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is used at many places. We have to remember this perfectly. And this is for angle less than or equal to theta and it is less than or equal to 90 and greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this satisfies for these values of angle. That was number 1. The identity number 2 is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and this satisfies for value of theta. This satisfies value of theta less than 90 degrees and greater than or equal to 0 degree. So you see here, theta is the angle. This identity satisfies for the angle between 0 to 90 degree, but it is inclusive of 0 and not inclusive of 90 degrees, because at 90 degrees it becomes infinity. It is not defined. So this is very important thing to remember. This also you have to remember. And the third identity is cosec square is equal to 1 plus cot square. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square, and this is between, of course, 90 and 0. This is between 90 and 0, and it is inclusive of 90 but not inclusive of 0, because at 0 cot of 0 is not defined. You see here, cot of 0, it is not defined. So that is why 0 is not included. Whereas cot of 90, you see, cot of 90 is defined, which is value 0. So it is very important to know that this trigonometric identity satisfies for all the angles between 0 to 90 degree, but not inclusive of 0 degree, but inclusive of 90 degrees.